Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. The first one is a lion. This is a lion. The next one is gorilla. This is gorilla. Gorilla. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. The next one is a crab. This is a crab. The next sea animal is